The problem is white Western culture has made cleaning seem like something that is beneath us, something that you don't have time to do because you're too busy getting money, you're too busy achieving success, too busy doing whatever. When really cleaning is a ritual, and the reason why cleaning is not deemed as a ritual, cleaning is not deemed as something that honors your space, that honors yourself, that honors your ancestors, is because cleaning was something that they pawned off on black bodies, pawned off on brown bodies to do for them in order for them to then go out and achieve, go out and pursue whatever that was seen as something that was beneath, and the black and brown folk are doing, right? When really cleaning is something that is sacred. Cleaning is something that throughout most of history you did to honor your space and your community, and that has been forgotten because there's more important things to do now, like get money. This thing that didn't exist in this capacity up until recent. So make sure when you clean, you make sure that you clean your space with gratitude. Make sure that when you clean, you remember that it is an honor to bless your space that way. Yeah, and you be present, and you don't do it in a fashion that is rushing, that is hurried. Make sure you do it slow and intentional, as in a way that is a form of protest, that is a form of pushback, that is a form of remembering. Because what's happening is when you clean and you take the time to do it, you reject the ideas that there are other things to be doing other than honoring your space, other than showing gratitude to your space, other than showing gratitude for life. There's nothing else to be doing besides being grateful for breath. Okay? Just my 2 cents